Round two.
Yep. All right, Jake, what's going on today?
So today we're filming our last segment of the video we're doing with Harley-Davidson and DicE Magazine on our Bronco Bronze 1952 barn find, original paint Bronco Bronze restoration. So right now we're out getting some riding shots. It's the first time we've probably put more than 25 miles or so in a segment on the bike. So it's fun getting some miles on it. The bike is running really good. It really feels like a brand new bike. That's kind of the best way to describe it. And I'm assuming that's what these bikes felt like in the 50s, because it is as original as it could be. So when we first got the bike, pretty unsure on we were very unsure on the condition of it. It really was a risky buy from the get-go. We had no clue if the engine was locked up. We had no clue if the transmission was locked up. We couldn't even roll the bike. Actually, off the trailer, we couldn't roll the bike, so we had to put a lift under it to move the bike. But as we slowly started taking everything apart, we realized that everything was in incredible condition, and it just had basically a layer of crust over it that we needed to remove and re-grease and re-oil and rebuild. Dwayne's powertrains helped pull the engine out, rebuilt the entire thing, crank up. And as he was taking it apart, we were all just really blown away with the condition. It still had all the original bolts, every piece of original hardware. The engine was still stock bore, and it still is very stock. We left as many of the original parts as we could. Obviously replaced gaskets and bushings, but other than that, it's 100% original. What's next for this bike is I really want to ride it. I just want to continue to ride it, continue its journey, continue to tell its story. I plan to daily commute on this bike. This bike was originally from Charlotte. This bike's going to stay in Charlotte. You'll be able to see this bike in Charlotte at the Congregation Show October 9th.